Hi, this is my submission for the Mother Son Bowling app for Salesforce Devlog. Sorry, I have seen this like challenge really late. I think people have already submitted, but I gave it a shot. I tried building the algorithm for matching the different campaigns into a bowling lane. So here is my submission. So what I did was I have created sample data in a developer org. I installed the unmanaged package. So now I have 100 bowling applications with around 233 campaign members. So that's the count, I think, but I can verify. So let's see. So yeah, so there are 233 campaign members. So if there are 30 bowling lanes on an average, if you take 233, then there should be either 7 or uh, 8 people per bowling lane. So that's the count. And as it is mentioned in the requirements, the group me with. So if like a application put in if let's see. So if a campaigns application has a group me with record that they want to group with a different household, that needs to be taken into consideration. So I have one group me with here, and let's try. So what I did was I added few examples. So household 10 wants to group me with household 90, and that's my last name. Group Vishwanatha group me with Kunna household. So that's the group me with, and you can see that the lanes are not yet assigned. So why don't I go ahead and start assigning. So there is a button that I added on the list view, so you can click on calculate bowling lanes and it should assign them. So I did and that's it. So there is no need for a back job, there is no need for any asynchronous processing. If you look at the debug logs, so if you see everything is within the limits. So SOQL queries is just one SOQL query, 102 which are like the number of campaigns, and the DML rows are 102 because we are inserting like 102, updating 102, but the DML statements is just one, and the CPU time is 427 milliseconds. That's nothing. And let me go back. So you can see all the households are assigned with lane numbers, and you can see the lane number 1 has a household of 60. So let's see. So that's the kindergartens. So as per the challenge requirements, there was also a requirement that kindergartens must be given preference. So they're based on the grades, the lanes must be assigned. So lanes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 might be kindergartens, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 might be first grade. So what I did was I did an order by grade and assigned like the beginning lanes based on the different grades. So if you see all the lanes starting, uh, all of those are kindergarten lanes, something like that. And let's see if the grouping is done. So you can see the groupings. So Vishwanath household and Guna household are on the lane 9. Household 10, household 90 are on the lane 8. So because there is a group me with request defined, so based on the group me with request, the households are grouped together in a single lane, which is the most important thing. And none of the households are broken, so my code doesn't basically break the household members. Well, that's actually a main requirement. So, and you can see that all the lanes are assigned, and they are assigned equally. If you take a look at the counts as well for each and every lane, it's 8, 8, 8. So either 8 or 7 based on the lanes. So because 233, it should be 8 or 7. So going into the code, I just wanted to give you a. So I'm using the collections, which are really powerful, and the wrapper classes to build my algorithms. So what I'm doing is I'm first doing a query on the campaign and getting all the campaign members, and I'm building a map of the campaign with the related. So if there are any related applications like the group me with applications, I'm building a map of that. And if you see, I have a wrap household, which is basically a wrapper class that has the campaign members, the highest grade text, lane number, and like groups. So highest grade and highest grade text are, there is a map which I built for the grade map. So kindergarten is 1, first is 2, second is 3. So these are the different grades with the grade numbers assigned. So when I do a compare to like a sort, I'm basically sorting by the grades. So kindergartens will always be first in the list. That's the highest grade. And there is also a wrapper class for the lanes and the lane counts. So my algorithm is like a round robin. So it first assigns all the group bys and then assigns all the grades and then assigns the ones that does not have any preference. So during that assignment, I also need to make sure that all the lanes are filled properly, like evenly distributed. So what I did was I have built a lane wrap class with the lane number and the lane counts, and I'm doing a order by based on this lane wrap class. So that's basically it. The code is pretty straightforward. I mean, if you look at the code, you should be able to understand it fairly quickly. So I'm getting the number per lane based on the total number of bowlers divided by the lanes. And if there is a reminder, I'm distributing the reminder uh, in each and every lane. So I'm building a lane map. So for every lane, what is the lane count, whether it's 8 bowlers or 7 bowlers per lane or 6 bowlers per lane. And after I get the lane count, I'm basically iterating over each and every household and making sure that when you add the number of bowlers, it's not exceeding the lane count. And I'm then assigning the lane number to every household. That's basically it, I think. I mean, uh, if you have any other questions, let me know. But I mean, that's the code, and it's a really nice challenge. It's definitely a brain teaser. Uh, I hope you like my submission. Thank you. Bye bye.